Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nomfundo, aka Coco Bomb, and I'm back in the building with another video. I don't have excuses anymore. I don't know what to say, and I'm not gonna say anything for my inconsistency, but child, I'm going through it. You get what I'm saying? But anyway guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Coco, and I'm back with another banger. Anyway, how are y'all doing guys? Good December, it's the 10th of December. Today, Usugo Lukulu, it's my mom's birthday. And I don't know how old she's turning. I don't know if it's 52. Sorry. I don't know if it's 52 or it's 53. No, it can't be 53. Because it's 2023, you know. So, yeah, she's turning 52. Right? Yeah. She's turning 52. Big 52. Oh my god. Guys, mommy are coca. And that gives me a lustro. My mama's getting old and that's stressing me out. But anyway, I'm on my way to Skatsmanju Uba 1104. I'm on my way to her house to celebrate her day with her. Yeah, celebrating her life, you know. Since let me tell you guys, me and my mom, since I've known my mother. Since I've known my mother, we never really used to celebrate birthdays, and it was only because we couldn't afford to celebrate birthdays. Like every time when it would be my birthday or her birthday, like she would be broke, until I started making mullah, and I was like, you know what, we are breaking this curse of not celebrating birthdays. Like no matter but we have made it a point that on our birthdays we gift each other, we go all out for each other. Like it's an unwritten rule now. If you've been on this channel, you will know that on my birthday my mom bought me a Mavili way more. She bought me car wheels. She got me a picture frame, like a huge picture frame of me and my dad, which was so special and sentimental to me, like the best gift ever. Yeah, so like she went above and beyond for me. That cost her a lot. So I'm also going above and beyond for her, and I am broke, but she's my mom. So I think a week ago I bought her a washing machine because she has been rambling about wanting a new washing machine, guys. If the old one is still there, I'll show you the old one, but she was due for a new washing machine, guys. The washing machine that she has had it since I think I was 9 years old. I'm 24 and it's been there, you know. So I'm like, I bought her a washing machine. I'll show you guys the washing machine that I got her. And then today I didn't get her anything that you're about to see when I get home. Sorry guys. I was saying, all the gifts that you're about to see now that I have on me today were bought by my partner for my mom. They got her a cute handbag, a candle, a scented candle, flowers, sparkling wine, and what's this? A diffuser, yes. So yeah, I love it. I love that my partner also goes out for my mom. Like, she's our mother, so you know, she's both our mother, so we would do anything for her. So now I'm heading to Cabo Simpiwe. I'm going to fetch Simpiwe, Nosia, and Umamabo, to go and spend the day with mom. Like, I love it so much. I love that let me tell you something, guys. Me and my family didn't have like didn't have like a strong relationship, yeah. And it was just because of we didn't really know each other well, and I guess I was still young, and I saw them as villains, you know, like my dad's side of the family. You know how the dad side of the family is, but I literally saw them as villains, and I had my reasons. You get what I'm saying? But then we all made an effort to get to know each other better, understand each other, get like understand each other. Where are we coming from? To get what I'm saying? Like, what is the reason why we were acting the way we were acting, doing certain things that we were doing, and not doing certain things. You get it? And then we got to an understanding. You would say, okay, so sonke, clearly we were like thinking of stuff, especially myself. But then we sorted things out. We're still sorting things out. That's why you see me like most of the time now these days, like I'm with them, you know. I spend like most of my time. I'm so nervous. Why? Like I'm anxious. That's why you see me spending more time with my cousin now, because she's my sister, you know, and I love her. I love them all. I love Sia, I love Mamani, I love Babum yeah, Babum Wami is also like a father figure to me. Yeah, I love them, man. I love them so much. So I'm almost there to get them, and then we are going to go to a spa quickly, so a spa quickly, so that we can get cake and drinks, a few drinks, nothing much, nothing too much. It's a Sunday. Drinks and what's this, and maybe nyama to cook, yeah, stuff to cook and fast, like a fast Sunday meal, because we're already behind, and I am the reason why, because kind of go 11 man, it's got up past 11 now. So yeah, sharp guys, ngizokhuluma nani when I get to the house. Lirang. Hey. Happy. How nga mapuna-puna? Ay, shut up. Happy birthday, Mom Dala. Happy birthday, Mom Dala.
Makikibigdi kama. Kasi wala ko pa ma. Wala ko pa. Wala ko pa straight.
Send a message, mntwana. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hey, I'm on the way. You are the Sophie. Happy. Now, when's the day? Happy birthday, mommy. So fast, laugh. Guys, now you present your child.
Yes.
Darling.
Thank you very much. Who's bought this for me?
Ovi. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the present. I really appreciate it. I'm okay. I said to get on Trano. Hey, I like it.
Eh, wala itaga yona vele. Ke o khabisa le ngkhisa mnati, ngkhisa ntlunga mnati. Eng, dikeresa na? Ke shoko uska ihlikihla cause isenze ihlikihla.
It's on time.
Ay kasi uthe uqala mo. Ki mo. Ey hula wena. Pull. Bese ususa le party le plastic orange.
Gonna lay.
Yeah.
Around there.
Uyayibuyisa. And twist, yes. And twist.
Say happy birthday to me.
Yes, girl. To life, to money, to love, to peace, to success, to Simpure going to school next year,
Yes.
to you growing older and older, and you too,
And you.
to 8 years,
Yes.
to us, family, to ikule, sithandane, sibe nemali sonke, sibe mama out, sibe mnandi. Hey guys. Yo, kuneslim esikhalisa music loud kanjani guys, like so loud, and it's not even in our complex, but can you hear it? Ungapha the other complex. Mara umsindo wenzile. Nkosi yami. Anyway, hey guys, I hope ayizwakala. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nomfundo aka Coco Bomb, and I'm back with another video. I don't know if I introduced this vlog or not, but this is a continuation from my mom's big day vlog, which went south, because like the footage essentially I got very well, but it's very terrible, and I'm sorry for that. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I always miss you guys. Today is the 15th of December. It's very windy, and I'm preparing to go to Southgate. I'm meeting up with Mama Simpiwe so we can buy stuff for tomorrow, because tomorrow we are planning to go to Sekgome Lodge. It's at Orange Farm somewhere. So yeah, I hope it's a cute place and I hope it won't be extremely full, but I know it might be. So we are planning to get there very early. Yeah, so it's going to be a fun day tomorrow. Today I have a lot of things to do. I want to buy a gift for Mary because she hasn't been feeling well. So I want to get her like flowers. I don't know what else. Not alcohol. I feel like I buy a lot of alcohol for people. Yeah, so like flowers and maybe cake. yeah, I think she would appreciate a slice of cake. Yeah, just to like cheer her up, kancane. And then I also have to go get a pot plant because I took a plant from my mom's house yesterday and ihleli manzini, so I need to get a pot plant, a plant pot and soil. You get. So, and then I have to come back and lay my hair and send Mary's flowers via Uber because that's the only thing I'm thinking will work. So yeah, let's go. My petrol is low. I'm not sure if it's on Figures to Southgate, but I'm hoping it will because I'm not in the mood to stop at a garage right now. But Sizobona corner. I hope everybody's doing okay. Please like and subscribe if you're new, and I hope you like what you see. And welcome to everyone who's joined the family, guys. I've gained like a lot of subscribers, like from Vlogtober and from uploading shorts. I won't lie, I will not lie. Shorts have made me gain a few subscribers, guys. So welcome to the Coco family. I hope you like it here and you stay. Nah, ngifake iduku, guys, because my hair looks terrible. Nje kuhlanga guys, mina ngiyintombazane encane eyikhathalele Nkosi yami, and I always have to do something. Izolo bengise Wendywood to fetch my mom and Simpiwe's mom. Ngabo 6 I got home after work, mind you. Ngishayisa ngo4. Ngabo 6 I was on my way to Wendywood. Ngibuye endlini and I had to drop them off at Orange Farm. Ngibuye endlini ngabo 9. Ngabo 10. I'm lying, ngabo 10. Like, I'm so tired. I'm just a little girl. But anyway, couldn't think this step by like Helen. But anyway, guys, let's go. Happy holidays, happy December. Less season in is pity. That's what I hate about it. That's the only thing I hate about it is pity. But anyway, let's go, guys. Mangithanda. Anyway, let's go. Cute simple pot so that I can put it inside another pot. Alright, that's 25 rand, 10 rand. I don't know. The plant is not that big, yes. No, like big soil, but I'm gonna have to look the on it because I have a lot of stuff here. No, I have a lot of plants. No, mama, some soil for her plants. So I better take something. You get it? I'm saying I'm yay. I'm just saying this until someone looks at me and then it's gonna reach out. Wait, guys, what do you think? Mary is not a flower person, yeah? Not like a flower person, but like a plant person. due to maintenance, but I think she can take care of her succulent, don't you think? Because it's low maintenance, and I found a cute quote about succulents, okay? But between this one and this one. Yo guys, I got disturbed while shopping. But anyway, i-camera revealing angiboni-ke mangifaka amazaza angazisuke nje kwehlekani. Anyway, sengicedile e-Value Mart. Angisho nazi ukuthi leside i-Value Mart. Ngitholile-ke yama-pot plant ami. Ngathengela uMary i-succulent. I decided to get her a succulent. And then now I am sorry, now I am on my way to like inside the mall. So bengithenga inhlabathi nama-pot plant. Yo, tenzenzai. Guys, it's pizza sila. Like le camera yenzani? I look so terrible. But who cares? I don't. Like go Southgate. The way in Kateng, Babile Babusi, the parking anyway. But today they said people shall park because who cares? Yo, copyright. Angazi ngasokola ngeparking eSouthgate. eSouthgate angazi ngasokola ngeparking. This is a first, and that just goes to tell you about the situation inside. So let's just go because I'm out of time. Silweli parking mntakamangena lokuphuma lo. Iwish. Thank you, Bob. Firi. Embugel. Guys, the time sengicedile Southgate finally. The time right now is 15:57 and I'm heading home. Not home. I'm heading to my place so that I can pack a few stuff, and I can also send Mary's gift. Yeah, you remember I got Mary something, so I ended up getting her just a succulent and a muffin. I got her muffins and ngizomfakela ne-tonic ne-dash because I couldn't get any more stuff, because Willy's ama-shop agcwele. Every shop is literally so full. I'm aligned. Yo guys, utshwala bukho. We literally went to 3 liquor shops looking for Benini Classic. We ain't find it. We ended up taking Sipuza Ipenini Blush. I ended up taking Ipenini Blush, ne Flying Fish, ne Brutal Fruits, just a variety. So yeah, that's why we're here. So I'm done. My battery is about to die though, so when I get to my place, I'm gonna charge quickly, and then I think I'm gonna show you guys what I got when we get to the house and we start like arranging everything that we have. I'm not gonna cross the law. No, I'm not doing it. Roberto, it's how batla go skip the law, skip it alone. Sansenyana now taxi driver ungishayela ama-hazard emuva ukuthi ngidlule i-robot livaliwe. No, I'm not gonna do that. Mawufuna boshwa wedwa ungangifaki mina. So I'll catch y'all when I get to the house, when I get to Orange Farm. Okay. Love y'all. Now. Number, yeah. Uyena ke loyi niyezwa ayikho nje into ayijahele. Hi sisekhaya. Hi.
I'm doing guys. I'm fine, guys. We right.
Bamtelizazo ukuthi kwenza ngikhathele ngingani ngikhathele. Afethu ngibona ukuthi ngithengene ngikhathele. Masithenga amazinyo ezakusasa. Bokuyisale ePick ngiyabona.
Siya, phansi.
My rolls, because nobody's cooking pop, baby. Hello. Yeah. Because we don't know who eats how much. Namakinati. Shut the plastic one. And then my drumstick, a tray of drumsticks.
We got some
6 grams.
We got some new food. With a special food.
Special.
6 grams.
What
Where did I leave my phone?
6 grams.
No.
6 plates.
Nama wings. Shut up. Shut up your face.
Oh my God, baby, so yo.
When I'm in love with you, come on, let's go. Come on.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Another
This is
verse.
What?
Oh.
My two balls.
Nenye verse. Asiko baningi guys, the first two is
And I'm talking about balls.
paper towels, paper plate.
Oh my God.
Shut up! Paper towels. Fire lighter. Enjoy orange. Some Fanta, pipe, orange for someone. And then
It's my Fanta.
Not yours.
No marshmallow. Juice. That's it, everybody. Oh, no. Thanks for coming to my home. You guys in Katsili. Enjoying the best. Guys, good morning. Okay. Wait. Guys, morning. Like morning. It's very bright and early in the morning, like 7 a.m. No, not 7 a.m. even 6. Began 6 a.m. and I'm already fighting Versace. 6. Guys, it's very inhlekelela izolo mangene ejardini singibonisa inhlekelele vele immediately mangene ejardini ivili yavela very slowly no khal. So I think I got like a speaker puncher, so I have to take off this wheel and a cell shedding a manje seliyagoba angisathini Phetho nangumuntu asenza belungu sakafuna ngithi nails isipikiri Ke sepikiri. Yo mama ko patla nthusa hle mferefere ka koloing ka mo. Ka 16 ke ba fet. 16 phela namhlanje. Namuhla. Che. Mina ngidinela ukuthi uyasilwisa manje. Hey wena senza re clean di cooler box. Guys, I successfully removed
in my will.
Athi wangithi speaker ngathi nail. Athi wangithi speaker ngathi nail. Tabanga, athi wangithi speaker ngingathi nail. Because bengilibela ngikhuluma isilungu ngithi guys, ivili lami has a speaker in it.
It's English. What you guys, early in the morning, fresh in the morning, there's a speaker.
It's a speaker.
There's a speaker. I was speaking. What is speaking? What are the names? I don't know what was speaking.
Oh, nazo nazisubumnandi ngami ke. Oh, hot.
I'm speaking. I don't know what speaking.
Guys, asiphumen kwabantu bama nails. Let's discuss ivili lami liphelile. Yabo lento yokudrive ekasi. Lokudrive Yeah guys, mina as uMacGyver ke I have successfully removed the tire. Seniyazi nani musispillion samless. Awusemuhle chomi. Manu. Iska how?
Bang.
Hi mommy. You
Husband. It's a Sam.
finally. Finally. We are going. It's late, Maraiga. We are 1 hour late, so we're gonna try be quick and hope that. Yo, angkumbul nami wathatha.
Washile entweni entani room.
Iyo. Uzozibona. Angisho webekakhalela amateki. Baba umuntu akasasikhulumisi ngenxa yamathi. Ngifocus ngalo bastard. Basa sana lwami.
Olive. Ukhohliwe. Yena bhatala 100 rand.
I-toilet mama ngathi iyo yona le. Yes, sir. Guys, we've made it. And the sound. Naya. And akune sound. Sifikile. Imoto isaduma. Ngiphethe umdumo phela. Sengiphethe umdumo wendawo. Esingathi kuhle lana. It's very, very cute. And I love that for us. Truly do. Truly do, Sana. We are about to have a blast. Kune pools. There's everything. Hi. There's everything you can imagine. There are also jumping castles. Jumping castle. I'll show you the jumping castles right now. Some people came with tents. Like him. Oh. Hi guys.
My name's Stacey. I'm here.
You here?
It's time for snack time.
Time for snack time.
And playtime.
Time for snack time and playtime, my baby.
We need to relax.
Yes, sir. We need to relax. We need to find a place so that we can fry our meat
The table.
and sit on the table. Tables are finished. Where should we sit? Here or here?
There.
There? Hey, yeah.
Oh, no, the rest.
Hey.
Oh. It's the
Hi. Ah, que video. Que video. Ah, isso é video. Guys, sinetafula. Fit check. Fit check. Angazi nizwa yipi? Nizwa ye-echo or nizwa lekela le. Washa Prime Master. Yeah, bonus. Okay. Bright Master. Bye. Guys, in the toilets. Oh ma! But yeah, guys, we're having such a great time. I'm on my way to the bathroom right now because I am pressed. I am pressed as fuck. So I'm heading to the toilet. Hands up here. Hands up here. Guys, this place is huge. It's a very, very big space. Like, it's a very, very big space. Now, Mama Coco. Mama Coco. Sim, keep it. Okay. Sharp. Emma pen. Whoa. Emma. Who's the king this next? Mañana. Sharp.
But you go by the kids entrance, kids.
I'm also a kid.
Wonder where Papa where like Luna.
Sisi.
We tried our best. Our best is not bestering, but we tried. Let's go now. I'm jumping now. You yakhathaza la. Hawa. Sun cartelling. Fam. Ah, louder. We can't hear you.
Hi. Go.
Bye.
Bye,
See you again.
Coco
Bye. Guys, I was trying to say, Sibuyo Pampa. izinto zabantwana.
Guys, just Pumulas only. Mister, we here. The party. Good time. See you next time. Peace.
I'm sorry, I'm a YouTuber, but I'm not gonna show your faces, guys. What? Faces, guys, nah? Or do you wanna? You can. Guys, we're having Jaeger bombs. Okay. To what? To life, to money, to love, to you going to school. Okay. One, two.